Tucked inside a beautifully minimalist Japanese-style tiny home lies a marvel of space-saving innovation. A smart movable loft bed that glides left and right across the home's central void, completely transforming the way small spaces are used. Combined with a thoughtfully designed cabinet layout, the system creates a dynamic living environment that adapts seamlessly to the needs of the day. Instead of a fixed sleeping loft, this movable loft bed is mounted on a secure overhead rail system, allowing it to slide horizontally from wall to wall. In the morning, the bed can be positioned over unused areas like above the entryway or bathroom, freeing up the main living zone below. When it's time to rest, the bed glides effortlessly into its preferred spot, locking into place for safety and comfort. It's an elegant response to the common challenge of height and flexibility in tiny homes, maximizing vertical and horizontal space in one clever move. Beneath this floating bedroom is a creative cabinet layout that reflects the essence of Japanese design: plain, intentional, and deeply functional. Floor-level drawers, built-in bench, and stair-integrated storage offer hidden compartments without visual clutter. Vertically pantry cabinets slide open silently behind shoji-inspired doors, while modular shelving adjusts to suit the item store, whether it's tea sets, books, or everyday essential. Every corner is used with a purpose. In the kitchen, a narrow pull-out spice rack fills the gap between the fridge and wall, while under-counter cabinets feature lift-up lids and built-in organizer. The hallway walls doubles as fold-out workspace with cabinetry that disappears when not in use. Even the steps leading to the loft system function as spacious drawers. It's carefully designed to match the clean aesthetic and efficient rhythm of Japanese living. Together, the gliding of loft bed and integrated cabinetry turn this compact home into a flexible, multi-use space where every inch is optimized for comfort, flow, and intentional living. It's not just a home, it's a moving, breathing example of Japanese design ingenuity, built to adapt, inspire, and elevate small space living.